Affiliate marketing ideas to drive top-line growth. One of the most common ways to start bringing in a profit online is via affiliate marketing, but it's also one of the most common jobs abandoned after only a short period of time. This is because people who are new to the market jump in assuming it will all be easy and simple, but are surprised when it does require some smart thinking and tough work. To maintain a sterling reputation, it's important that you only enter affiliate marketing programs with affiliates you can stand behind. Evaluate your potential affiliates carefully and avoid any that you cannot support with full enthusiasm. Visitors to your website will use your choice of affiliates to inform their opinion of you, so whatever you do, avoid connecting your visitors to shady dealers and scam artists. If you are creating an affiliate marketing program, be sure to give your affiliates a wide selection of powerful tracking tools. This makes it easier for them to see what links are working and what aren't, which means better profits for you as well. Also, more powerful tools will attract more experienced marketers. Do not go crazy with social media updates and internet searching if you want to remain productive in affiliate marketing. Checking your email multiple times per day or changing your Facebook status is great to do in your downtime, but remember that becoming a successful affiliate is not downtime. Keep your mind on task. If an affiliate program isn't working for you, try something else. There are so many different affiliate marketing programs out there that finding the one that fits with your audience and your style takes some time. Research ad testing into your page to track what is working and what isn't it. Check your favorite products to see if they offer affiliate marketing programs as well. You aren't limited to just the big affiliate sites. If you want your affiliate marketing efforts to pay off at the highest amount, you should be seen as providing helpful information. Most people recognize ads and do not want to visit a page that is nothing but advertising. But if you put out regular information about a subject they are interested in, they are more likely to click through the ads. If you're into affiliate marketing, don't only write positive things in your reviews, but also include negative things about the products you review. This makes your reviews more realistic and more trustworthy, which makes people more likely to read more of your reviews. The more time they spend on your content, of course, the more likely they are to click an affiliate link and buy something. When people trust your reviews and know you'll steer them right, they'll be willing to click your links even when they know you're making money from it. While it is obviously a job with tough roads to follow and instructions to manage, the benefits can severely overweight these tasks. It requires a great deal of work and dedication to begin with, but through time things become easier, and the profits become greater. The key is sticking with your plan and following the tips mentioned in this video. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.